Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you how to change the brushes, the rollers, the side roller, and the high efficiency filter and do a general cleaning on the iRobot Roomba J6 Plus. First, let's undock the robot, lift one wheel off the ground, leave the other wheel on the ground, hold the button, and hold that button for a while. That will turn the robot off. Now it's safe to work on. Let's rotate it over. Okay, let's change the rollers first. You're going to lift this little green tab here. These are going to come out. Here's the rollers. You can see we do get some, we can reuse these, but once in a while these will get completely worn out where you do have to change them. But we do get some hair caught up on here. Make sure this is all nice and clean. You may get some dust down in here and stuff. To replenish them, they give you a little diagram. There's the dark green and the light green. Now this big side's gonna go in first. You're gonna rotate it and it slides in. Again, this side over here goes over here. This one with kind of like the indentation goes on this side. Rotate it, it'll pop into place. Put that down, and this should just snap into place. Very simple. Now to change the side brush, you're simply gonna, takes a screw, a driver, a straight slot. You're simply gonna, the screw stays with the brush. You're simply gonna pop the old one off, grab a new one. You'll see there's like a little hexagon shape, kind of line it up, press it down, and then tighten the screw. Now while we've got it flipped over, make sure the edge sensors, these are like little windows, make sure these are all clean. Next, let's take the dustbin off. So press the button, release the dustbin. Now right here is the filter. Now I have been able to reuse this filter once in a while. You can blow that off and get maybe a couple more uses out of it. But when it's time to change it, you're going to want to take this outside and blow this compartment all out. Now a lot of dirt and debris can kind of pile up in here. Press this button, we can take this door off. There's also a filter right here. Sometimes you got to get like a little brush. You will get some stuff stuck on there. Also make sure there's flap. There's a flap right here you can grab around and touch. Make sure nothing's caught in there. Okay, so take it outside, blow air from the opposite way. And again, get this all nice and clean. And again, also blow this out really good from both directions. Open this up. Now up here inside the robots, you might have to wipe this down just a little bit. Sometimes you can get some dirt and debris. Okay, so here's the new filter. You slide that, there's indentations for it on top and bottom. It can go either way. Push it in until it kind of snaps. Rotate this, there's a little hook here. You're gonna put the hook in first, then rotate it. Now, whenever you dock this, it will turn it on. So whenever you line up the dock, line it up to recharge it, it'll turn itself on. And in your iRobot app, you can go to Product Health, and you can reset the high efficiency filter. Reset, it looked worn out. The edge sweeping brushes, the multi-surface, the dual multi-surface brushes, you can reset that also. Be sure and check out my coffee. I just released Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's a dark Brazilian roast. It's in the K-Cup form, whole bean, and the already ground coffee. You can buy it at justadadcoffee.com. Recently, YouTube presented me with a plaque for passing 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, everybody, for your support. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there. And you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Here's today's free giveaway. It's a Keurig K Express. Also check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Underneath the video, if you could give a thumbs up, that really helps out my YouTube channel. I really appreciate everybody's support. If you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.